Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by connecting your data source and acting quickly. Choose Import if you need speed, direct query for live data. In Power Query, remove errors, set correct data types, and filter unnecessary rows so visuals stay responsive. Once done, split compound columns and promote headers. This avoids messy joins later. Make a simple star schema. One fact table with measures and related dimension tables for categories and dates. This structure keeps relationships predictable and visuals efficient. Now you focus on modeling and measures to power accurate visuals. Link tables with one-to-many relationships and set cross-filtering so slicers work as expected. An ambiguous direction breaks filters. Next, write DAX measures for sums, ratios, and time intelligence. Use Calculate to change filter context, and limit calculated columns to avoid bloat. Once you have solid measures, add a date table and mark it as such. This enables consistent time-based calculations across reports and prevents surprising results. Finish by designing clear visuals. Pick bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, and cards for KPIs, then place them with a visual hierarchy. Once done, set up slicer interactions, bookmarks, and useful tooltips so users explore without confusion. Publish to Power BI service, configure scheduled refresh and row-level security if needed, and share the app. If visuals show blanks or wrong totals, check relationships and filter directions first. Misapplied relationships are the most common cause of incorrect numbers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.